Self-defense is a concept that has been around from time immemorial. It is the use of force for the protection of oneself, one's properties, or someone else from unjustifiable attacks. In other words, if someone wants to hurt you, or someone around you, or the person wants to destroy or steal your property, self-defense means the act of protecting yourself, the person around you, or your property from such attack. Now, the law about self-defense in Nigeria is that a person is not guilty of any crime if he does certain acts pursuant to self-defense. So, if a person kills another person pursuant to self-defense, he is not guilty of murder. The law allows individuals to defend themselves against any threat to their life, even if it means killing someone else. Now, before the law will allow someone to escape the punishment for killing another person on the ground of self-defense, two basic requirements must be satisfied: necessity and proportion. About necessity, the position of the law is that the person claiming self-defense must be able to prove that it is absolutely necessary to kill his assailant in order to defend himself. In other words, the person must prove that the only way for the person to defend himself is to kill his assailant. So, if there are other ways for the person to protect himself, such as running away or escaping from the scene of the attack, and the person did not use those other means but resorted to killing his assailants, he cannot claim self-defense. Now, to the other requirement, which is proportion. The position of the law is that if you say you killed someone in defense of yourself, the force you used to kill the person must be proportionate or equal to the force the person used to attack you. So, if the person attacked you with bare hands and you stabbed the person to death, self-defense cannot avail you. The force must be proportionate. If the person attacks you with a razor blade, you can't kill him with a M16 gun and claim self-defense. In fact, the Supreme Court of Nigeria decided a case last year on this issue of self-defense. In that case, a police officer was accused of the murder of a young boy. The police officer raised the issue of self-defense. He said the boy attacked him first and he had to defend himself by shooting the boy. But when he was asked, how did the boy attack you? He said the boy stabbed him with a scissors. The court then said even if it was true that the boy stabbed him with a scissors, the shooting of the boy with an AK-47 rifle is not a proportional force to defend himself. So the court rejected his claim to self-defense and sentenced him to death. And that's the position of Nigerian law on self-defense. If someone kills another person and he wants to claim self-defense, he must be able to prove that 1. It is absolutely necessary for him to kill that person in order to defend himself or someone else. And the second condition, he must also be able to prove that the force he used to kill his assailant was proportional to the force the assailant used to attack him. I hope that you have been able to learn a thing or two from this video. Before you go, if you haven't, subscribe to this channel and like this video. Talk to you soon.